Quick reading for December the 17th to December the 18th, water signs. Meron tayo dito parang panghihinayang. Bakit natin binigyan ng chance, binigyan natin ng another opportunity, no? Kasi with the judgment, nandun na tayo sa part na we actually had a choice of either moving forward, or going back to the person. At least meron na tayong choice, hindi tayo na-stuck doon. So, ay wala akong choice, kailangan ko lang bumalik. Ngayon, parang meron kang choice sana na I could move forward. But then again, you still choose the person going back, no? Giving the person an opportunity. And then nabigyan mo siya ng opportunity, you waited for the changes, no? Parang nakikita natin dito na sana sinasabi ni person or sabi natin may pangako. But then again, yung pangako, inaantay mo, nasaan yung result, no? Nasaan yung pangako? I mean, pangako in a word. Pero where is the action? And we got a little disappointed again, no? Pwedeng nagawa na naman niya ang kanyang mga pagkakasala, no? But this is your quick reading, water signs for December the 17th to December the 18th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align. I am